Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of an LED high bay light from a company called Labor Reducer. This light is extremely bright. It draws 150 watts of energy and it produces an amazing amount of light, 19,500 lumens. We're going to test that. It's so bright if you look into it you won't be able to see for a couple of minutes. Now it's very balanced light because they have this acrylic diffuser on here, so it's very balanced and very even, so it'll light up a very large area. The quality of the light, the CRI, the index is over 80, so it's a quality light, and it produces a 5000 K daylight light. Now this is dimmable. It has a 3.3 foot, it's wired and ready for dimmability, and you can use a 1 to 10 volt pulse width modulated signal dimming switch. I'm going to have links for that in the description and the comments. This is ETL certified and FCC and UL compliant. I'm going to show that label on here. And that's important, and that means that this is very safe. ETL is one of the oldest labs in the United States. It started with Edison, and that means this is a very safe electrical device. This has a USA grounded, about a 5 foot long cord already wired in place. Now you notice it has these large aluminum open heat sinks. We're going to test the capability of this thing to dissipate that 150 watts. This is also IP65 waterproof, so you can use this indoor, outdoor, and we're going to show the mounting options on this. This will save 80% of your electric bill. The manufacturer has a 5-year warranty on this, and that means this could be used for over 10 years at 12 hours per day. These bulbs typically last 50,000 hours, so you don't have to worry about setting this up in your shop or wherever you're using it, because it has a very extended warranty. Now it comes with a simple diagram and showing you a little bit about the unit itself and how to hook it up. It's very simple. We're going to be testing all the functions of this, but if you look on the back here, it has a very nice steel cable that can hold this, and on that steel cable is about a 6 foot length of wire, and then there's a loop on the end of it. Very simple. So all you have to do is put this on a hook on your ceiling, or wherever you're going to mount this on a wall, and then if it ever failed, this would catch it. Now it has a very oversized loop on here, and on that loop there is a screw right there that you tighten down. Now notice that label right there, that ETL Labs, that it is certified, and it also has the certification, how it conforms to the UL standard, and gives a number right there. Those are all very important elements about this. Now in terms of mounting this, it comes with a very nice heavy duty strap that goes on the side right there, and comes with these hex nuts that are required to hold that in place. And then this will allow you to change the angle of it and mount it right on a wall. And again, this is really heavy duty. It's a metal plate. It looks like it's 1/8 of an inch thick. So they didn't cut any corners on the strength of all the metals in this. So it has a US plug, I mentioned that, and it's about 5 feet long. So it's already set up, grounded, and very easy to use. You just plug it in. Now the dimming capability is already wired in, as I mentioned. If you look right here, you can see it has a 2-wire dimmer on that cord right there. And I'll have a link again for that. So this can be hung from the ceiling, or it could be mounted on a wall. And again, it is water resistant, so that you can use it outdoors or indoors. It's IP65. So that's really nice. Now we're going to be testing a lot of the different functions of this. We're going to be turning it on and measuring some of the thermal capabilities. Now we're going to do some thermal tests. I've had this thing running for a half hour, and it's just amazing to see this much light and to be holding this. Your brain tells you that you're going to burn your hand, but it doesn't. So I'm going to show you this heatsink right here. So you see right there, it's 112 degrees on the heatsink. Now if I go to the front of the light, there it's 113 degrees, 107, 108 degrees, right in the hottest point of the front of the light. So you know what that's saying? That's saying something really important. It's saying that those front LEDs are conducting that heat so efficiently that the back is the same or even warmer than the front. That means those LEDs are going to last for that 50,000 hours because that heat is coming off them. The front heat is going into the air, and the back heat from these heat sinks is going into the back air. And as long as you have a space here of about a couple inches, this thing is going to run very efficiently and keep those LEDs lasting for a really long time. So I have the light plugged in, and I'm trying not to point it to the camera because it's extremely bright. And I have a watt meter right here, and first thing you notice is on the watts, it's 152 watts. So this is drawing that 150 watts, yet it's producing that incredible amount of 19,500 lumens. This light is so bright, I have a lux meter, and it just pegs it out. It can't even handle the brightness of it. So if I just go towards the sensor, you can see it goes past 10,000 lux, and then it just overloads it. So I can't even measure that 19,000 lumen. It's that bright. Now I'm in total darkness. I'm in my living area, which has a big atrium ceiling, and I'm going to turn the light on so you can see just how bright this light is. It's like daylight in this room now, and this is a huge area. You can see the shadow it's creating almost looks as deep and dark as the actual fan blade that's up there. But just look how incredibly bright this whole area is. It's illuminating the whole wall and room as if I had lights everywhere. Pretty amazing. So what's my overall opinion about the LED high bay light from a company called Labor Reducer? This is a 150 watt light that's producing over 19,500 lumens. It's incredibly bright, yet it runs very cool to the touch. This product's pretty amazing. I really like it. I think you'll like it too, wherever you're going to use it. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helps you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.